Hello English world. I'm Olivia. Let's learn English together. Listen and repeat the words.
School subjects: math, science, English, history, geography, physical education, PE, art, music, social studies, computer science, school supplies, backpack, notebook, pencil, pen, eraser, ruler, calculator, highlighter, marker, glue, scissors, folder, binder, paper, stapler, sharpener, whiteboard, textbook, crayons, colored pencils, schoolrooms and areas, classroom, library, cafeteria, gym, gymnasium, playground, auditorium, principal's office, nurse's office, hallway, locker room, science lab, art room, computer lab, music room, restroom, teacher's lounge, parking lot, sports field, reception desk, bus stop.
Now it's your turn. Try to remember the words and name the pictures. Great! We're done. You did something good for your English today. Keep improving. Please subscribe to the Hello English World YouTube channel and stay tuned for more videos. Goodbye.